Hello all. Today we are going to see how to find the nth largest marks in the given table, or in fact we can find nth largest number in a given table or in a given column. So let's create a table. Let's create a table called hash test, which contains name, which is a varchar type, and marks integer. And let's insert some values. Insert some values with name and marks. So after we insert the values, let's see the uh, values inside the table. So if you see, we have 7 entries and 7 names, each having different marks. So let's see the highest. Let's see the marks by from highest to lowest. So it selects star from hash test order by marks descending. So let's use the order by clause, and in this way you get the name and marks in descending order. Also, you can write the SQL query in this way: select star from hash test order by 2 descending. Here 2 represents uh, the column number in the table. Since marks is the second column in the table, we can write it by 2. So why we can write it? So this is the order of execution in SQL, which I explain in another video. So in this way, you can also write the SQL query. So now to get the person's name having highest marks. So it's simple. You just use a max query, so a max keyword, select max of marks from hash test. This gives you a simple query, simple output. This gives you the highest. This gives you the This gives you the maximum marks, and which is sorry. Gives you the maximum marks, which is 98. So to get the entire details, you just need to write select star from hash test where marks is equal to. So in this way, you'll get the person with the person name and marks as well. Now, the challenge is here to get this person's name having the second highest mark. So simple is again select star from. So let's copy the same query here. And in this we just need to use subquery where marks less than select max of marks from hash test. So in this query in here what we are trying to do. So this max of marks gives you the maximum marks, and here in the where condition marks less than. So whatever marks which are less than 98, this table filters the values, and whatever marks are less than 98, this query returns the maximum of the marks which are less than 98. So if you run this query, you'll get the second highest marks, which is 94. And if you run this entire query, you'll get the person with the marks together. And now let's try to get the third person with person's name having the third highest marks. Again the same query, and again we need to add one more clause here, which is this. So now again if you run this query, uh, you'll see that it will return you the third highest marks. Sorry, it will return you the third highest marks, which is Shiva of 91. So in order to get every third highest marks and fourth highest marks, we cannot. It's always difficult to write subqueries for each and every um, case. So the simplest way to use here is to use dense rank function. So it's simple. Select star from. Let's use a city with city as select star, comma, dense score rank over order by marks descending as Rn from hash test. So what this city always gives you the rank of the marks. So in this case, 98 marks is a rank 1, 94 is rank 2, 91 is rank 3, 87 is 4, 86 is 5, 78 is 6, and 76 is 7. So now you can just write select star from city where RN. If you want to get the person's name having the highest marks, you need to just click one. And if you execute this, you'll get Rohit 98 marks and rank 1. If you want to get the third highest, just keep 3 and just run this query. You'll get Shiva 91 3. Keep 5, you get the fifth highest, run this query, and you get Sai 86 marks fifth. So everywhere we see people always use the subqueries. So instead of this, try to use dense rank, uh, which is the easiest way. You just need to change the rank number to get the values. Thank you.